friends on the channel. I'll show how to remove, or rather disable, Google SafeSearch, even if it's blocked. To do this, click the three dots in our browser, scroll right and go to Settings. Here, scroll down to find Privacy and Security. There's a feature called Site Browsing. You can turn it off, but that's protection, right? This will disable your protection. This is additional. Here. There are also content settings you can access and turn off accordingly. The web inspector should be disabled. This affects SafeSearch. Another method is to go to Settings, select your Wi-Fi network and find DNS configuration, then select Automatic. This is essential. Or simply disable DNS so that SafeSearch won't be blocked. That's all. Please like this video.